हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम करने वाले इंग्लिश 8th स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ इंग्लिश बाल भारती। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू द फर्स्ट पोएम and we are going to do this chapter's exercise also. First chapter, A Time to Believe. So let's get started. So first, here we are having this warming up activity. So let's get started. So first one is new achievement. First one is good manner, then new achievements, happiness, bright moments, new aims, money surprises. Then inspiration, new opportunities, birth, hope, art, jewelry. Okay. Then here this thing, choose and fill up the labels with what a sunrise symbolize. Then here we are having question number 2. So an acrostic is a poem or a write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. So for example, here it has given the example of friend. So faithful, reliable, inspiring, encouraging, noble, dedicated. So with your benchmate group, complete the appropriate of belief and faith. Please note that the word phrases should be more or less related to the topic. You can use a thesaurus. So generally, a thesaurus is a reference book that lists words grouped together according to similarity of meanings, containing synonyms and sometimes antonyms. So till that time, first you think. So here, the appropriate of belief is be a certain, accept, love, idolize, and rose, veil, emerge strong, fidelity, acceptance, ideology, trust, it's trust, hope. Then here we are having the poem. So let's start. So here now this is the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. तो हमें यकीन होना चाहिए कि हर रोज एक नवी शुरुआत है और मिरेकल्स मतलब एक्स्ट्रा, यहाँ पर है ना, नहीं, मिरेकल्स मतलब एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इवेंट्स बिलीव टू बी डन बाय गॉड, मतलब गॉड कुछ करते हैं ना ऐसा, तो मिरेकल्स का मतलब वो होता है हैपेंस एंड ड्रीम्स रियली कम, तो गॉड कुछ भी कर सकते हैं जैसे, और हमारे सपने भी सच हो सकते हैं, तो गॉड सपने भी सच कर सकते हैं, एक यही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. देन टू बिलीव इज टू सी एंजल्स डांसिंग अमंग द क्लाउड्स, टू नो द वंडर ऑफ अ स्टारडस्ट स्काई एंड द विजडम ऑफ द मैन इन द मून. तो हमें यकीन रहना चाहिए, मतलब हमें यकीन है कि हम परिया को देखें, परिया परियों को देखेंगे नाचते हुए आसमान में. फिर stardust having a magical quality to note that wonders of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. तो हमारे ख्यालों में स्टारडस्ट मतलब तारे, स्काई ऊपर आसमान में, और जो विजडम मैन है चांद पर, वो हमारे ख्यालों में. फिर so then to believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. Nurturing means providing nourishment, care and protection. तो nurturing heart मतलब providing care. तो हमें यकीन है वो चीज की कीमत कि हमें प्रोटेक्ट हो रहा है, हमें प्रोटेक्ट किया जा रहा है और हमारी देखभाल करी जा रही है. The innocence of a child eyes. Innocence मतलब very little experience of life. एक बच्चे के आँख में. And the beauty of an aging hand. Aging hand मतलब हाथों में खूबसूरती कोई बूढ़े होने की. Growing old. Aging means growing old. For it is true that teachings we learn to love. तो वो लोग से ही हमें पढ़ाना और पढ़ना सीखते हैं. फिर to believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. हिम्मत और ताकत जो हमें है, when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So, pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or disaster. तो जब हम कोई शॉक का डिजास्टर से बाहर आते हैं तो तब. फिर to believe is to know we are never alone. तो हमें यकीन रहना चाहिए कि हम कभी अकेले नहीं है. The life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. तो हमारी लाइफ तो एक ही बार है. तो द लाइफ इज अ गिफ्ट. जो हमारा लाइफ है ना, वो हमारी तोहफा है. लाइफ. फिर एंड दिस इज आवर टाइम टू चेयराइज मतलब हमारी लाइफ एक ही बार है, तो हमें मस्ती करना चाहिए, चीयर अप होना चाहिए. चीयर होल्ड समथिंग एज वेरी डियर एंड ऑफ ग्रेट वैल्यू. देन to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. मतलब हमें ये यकीन होना चाहिए कि बहुत अच्छे सरप्राइजेस आगे भी हमें मिलेंगे, हमारे मम्मी पापा या किसी से भी हमें कुछ भी सरप्राइजेस मिलेंगे. Then and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. तो हमारी जितनी भी आशा है, इच्छा और सपना है, within reach का मतलब possible to achieve मतलब एक दिन हम उसे पकड़ ही लेंगे, मतलब हासिल कर लेंगे. If only we believe अगर हम यकीन करेंगे तो. और ये पोएम लिखी, the poem of the poet is B.J. Morbitzer. Then I am also sharing the notes with you. So if you want to write, means you are writing, so pause this video. First one is rearrange the letters to make meaningful words occurring in the poem. First one is miracle, second one is wisdom, third one is courage, fourth one is surprises, fifth one is beauty, sixth one is value, sixth one is dream, seventh one is value, eighth word is wonder. Then write words from the poem that describe the following. So, sky, stardust, heart nurturing, hand aging, being new, surprise, cheer eyes. So why? Dash the sky has a magical quality. The sky has a magical quality because it has curling clouds, twinkling stars, and a beautiful moon. B. Dash even an aging hand has beauty. Because it can teach us how to love. C. Dash we should believe that we are strong and courageous. We should believe that we are strong and courageous so that we can recover after we have gone through difficulties and shocks and return to our normal life. Then, third, make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept or do. नंबर 1, या आपका पर्सनल लिखना तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हैं, जो मैंने लिखा वो भी लिख सकते हैं. A. Every day is a new beginning. B. Miracles happen, dream comes true. C. Angels dancing among the sky. The wisdom of man in the moon, in a new moon. That we are never alone. Life is a gift. Then here question number 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the web. So positive qualities. Courage. Then we are having strength, to believe, to cherish, pick up the pieces. Then of question number 5th, and this find from the poem 3 other examples of epigrams. So this you have to do. So this you have to do personal. This one. Divide the class into 5 groups. Each group can prepare a decorative chart poster using an epigrammatic lines from the poem. You may use calligraphy, painting, or pen program on a computer. With permission, put up the charts in your school. So this is personal. So you means that it is given question number, but you can do it in your own. Okay. So this read the lines below and find from the poem 3 or other examples of epigrams I have written here. So you want to see, so you can see. Then this is find from the poem 3 other examples of epigrams. Answer. So this is the answer. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.